Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'll be sharing a 2021 summer quick clean. I have a trouble spot of laundry I really needed to tackle, so we're going to get the upstairs cleaned and back in order. The landing on the second floor is where I pretty much dump the laundry that's clean and needs to get put away. And as you can see here, we are going to get these freshly washed sheets back onto the beds and do a quick clean in those bedrooms. We're also going to reorganize my linen closet and make it look neater and just better. Then we are vacuuming, and at the end of the video, I share one of my favorite recipes from Marie Dunn. It's a no-bake chocolate peanut butter bar recipe. That's absolutely one that I love, love, love. So I just had to share it so you can make it and fall in love with it too. It's perfect for summer because you do not need your oven, especially when it's hot outside. Make sure you comment in the comment section what area of your home is bugging you and what you're doing while watching my video. So clean sheet day is my most dreaded day. It's basically a love-hate relationship because I love the feeling of ripping off the sheets and getting them in the wash, but my confidence starts to fade when I get them out of the dryer and I realize all the work that's ahead of me. I love the feeling of getting into a clean bed. I just hate putting them back on the beds, but I want to give the kids the same experience that I have getting into a clean sheet bed whenever I can. To wash the sheets, I like to use whatever detergent I have. I'm using Gain Original Scent lately with the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer on hot water and the Gain Scent Beads with an extra rinse. If I don't use the extra rinse, then using laundry beads, I feel like the scent is overwhelming sometimes. What do you guys do? Do you add an extra rinse to your cycle, or do you enjoy the stronger scent just so that it lasts longer?
Everything seems out of place. This morning is an ordinary phase, so we all just let it go. You say hi and I just say hello. It's a little lonely, but it will be the only thing that isn't perfect. I could say it won't be regrets of 10 million faces. You were the one I just couldn't forget. Don't you worry, I am on your side. Want to love even a broken smile. Would you like to stay till dawn? I know it's late, but I'm still hanging on.
After making the beds, I'm going to do a quick clean of furniture. I'm using 409 because I feel like it cuts through whatever hair product residue and lotion is on the furniture. This dresser is treated and sealed and painted, so it's okay to use, but I may not use this on real wood furniture just to be safe. I feel like it would be really stripping. But it's amazing on bunk bed stairs and gets rid of dirt and anything greasy really fast. I don't use Pledge or furniture polish, especially on the stairs, so that they don't get slippery.
Want to love even a broken smile. I lost the balance. Whatever happens, when you're close to me, I feel your heartbeat. an ordinary phase. Don't you worry, I am on your side.
The boys' room is not too bad. I'm going to just come in here and make up their beds and clean their room. Just a basic clean, what was needed to be cleaned and put away, but it really wasn't too bad.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while.
So now that the rooms are all tidied up and the sheets are back on the bed and they're vacuumed, let's go ahead and tackle these 2 loads of laundry that I have right here. It's mostly towels, and then once I get all these towels folded, we're going to go ahead and organize our linen closet.
Steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
So my linen closet is one area of the house that I really like to keep organized. I probably get in here once a month just to kind of reorganize everything and make sure I don't have too much, and whatever is worn out I toss out. My love of the linen closet comes from my mom because she always had the most amazing linen closets. She always had the best towels and the best bed sheets. It's one of the things that I remember a lot when I was growing up, and some of that kind of rubbed off on me. I don't have the very best of everything, but I do like to make whatever I have look nice. I have a really small linen closet, especially for the size of this house. I feel like it should have been a little bit bigger, so I really kind of have to focus on it and make sure that it stays neat, which is really hard with the kids because they come in here and they grab stuff a lot and it just gets kind of unorganized. So I'm just going to go through here really quick and just make sure everything is folded and put back into place. That way it's easier for me to find what I'm looking for, and I can sort through and figure out the things that are really worn out and maybe I need to replace. I'm also going to go ahead and refold this fitted sheet. I do have a very old video on how I fold fitted sheets. I will link that in the description box below if you want to take a look at it, but I'm going to show you here how I fold my fitted sheets. I'm just putting away that laundry that I had folded by putting it on their beds for them to sort. The girls especially have their own system of how they organize their clothes, so I wash and fold and then they come in and organize their drawers and closet. If you are folding and putting away laundry, make sure you let me know how many loads of laundry you're knocking out while you're watching this video.
We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.
For my next video, let me know if you'd like a similar style to this one, like a shorter quick clean or a more intense project reorganization or a deep clean. I have a couple lined up but want to post what you most enjoy, so a comment below letting me know would be so appreciated.
All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young.
Okay, to make these incredible no-bake chocolate bars, you need a mixer, but you can do it by hand too. A bag of semi-sweet chips, a bag of mini chocolate chips, also semi-sweet, 2 sticks of room temperature or softened buttered, I use unsalted, 1/2 cup chopped peanuts, 1.5 cup of butter, either smooth or chunky works fine, whatever you have, 1 box of vanilla wafers, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Start by greasing your 9x13 pan with butter and using a double boiler or your microwave. Melt the peanut butter and semi-chocolate chips until completely melted and smooth. I created my own double boiler by filling a small pot halfway with water, and once it boils I added a Pyrex glass bowl on top and just melted it in there. I always mess up melting chocolate in the microwave, it always ends up burned, so I love this method. Next, mix your peanut butter and butter until smooth in your mixer. Add powdered sugar 1 cup at a time and mix. Start slow so that it doesn't fly all over everywhere and make a mess. Up your vanilla wafers. I used a bag, but you can use your food processor. I just didn't want the extra dishes to wash. For crushed wafers. Then, once everything is blended, add your mini chocolate chips. And this is actually going to be your crust. Pour it all out onto your pan and press it in until smooth. I wore gloves just so my hands wouldn't get dirty and so the crust wouldn't stick.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just...
Once you've got your pan all set up, pour your melted chocolate and peanut butter over the base and smooth it out. Then sprinkle your chopped peanuts over the top. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour.
Forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I ended up refrigerating mine overnight and it was so good. It tastes kind of like a peanut butter ice cream cake, especially with some whipped cream on top. It tastes exactly like that, and I'm actually eating a piece right now while I'm doing this voiceover.
Loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So this completes today's video. I hope you got a ton of cleaning and laundry motivation. I will see you all back very soon. If you ended up making these chocolate peanut butter bars, please let me know in the comments what you think. If you're watching this in the morning, afternoon, or nighttime, I just hope you have a really good one, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!
Stay here together. If I could stop the time, don't you know?